Turn on the Bluetooth box switch. Open the app. Select the Bluetooth connection. Select the corresponding Bluetooth to connect. After the connection, return to the upper page. Click to go now. Select the brand. Select the vehicle model. Select the year model. Click confirm. Set T vehicle to the tire pressure learning mode. Ignition. Stop. Step on brake. Power on. Off. Power on. Off. Power on. Step on brake. Off. Power on. Off. Power on. Off. Power on. Click activate. Select the right front wheel. Click activate. Select the right rear wheel. Click activate. Select the left rear wheel. Click activate. The tire pressure will be displayed immediately after the activation is completed.